Hello everyone, my name is Yuganthan and I'm here to discuss about my math assignment. I'm currently studying in the third sem CSE AI. So let's begin. So my topic is about basic concepts of probability. So let's discuss. Probability of an event. The probability of event is the number between 0 and 1 inclusively. The probability of 0 means the event is impossible, while the probability of 1 means the event is certain. The probability of an event is determined by the dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of possible outcomes. What is the probability of spinning blue? So let's count the favorable outcomes. So 1, 2, 3, and the possible outcomes are 6, no 8. So we'll divide 3 by 6 is the answer. 3 by 8 is the answer. The sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of a random event. An event is a subset of all sample space, which consists of one or more outcomes. An event can be classified as single outcomes or a compound outcome, that is multiple outcomes. What is the probability of spinning the green? So green is 1, 2, 3. Total is 12. So 12, 3 divided by is 12 is the answer. Complementary of an event. Complementary of an event is denoted as the A dash. It is the event that A does not occur. The sum of the probability of an event and its complementary is always 1. Finding the probability of an event can be simplified by considering its complement. Complement of an event. Let E be an event, then the event that E does not occur is called the complement of E, denoted as E dash. Rolling and die. Let E be the event to get a number 3. Then the E dash is the event that get a number other than 3. Union and intersections of event. Union of two event A and B, denoted as A union B, represents the event that at least one of A or B occurs. Intersection of two events A and B, denoted as intersection B, represent the event that both A and B occurs. Notice the difference. A or B occurs, A and B occurs. The probability of an union and intersection of an event can be calculated using its appropriate formulas. Union and intersection. Union means both A or B or maybe A and B. Intersection means should be only A and B, means only 3, 4. Here it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but here it's only 3 or 4. Independent event and dependent event. Independent event are the event that does not influence each other's outcome. The probability of an intersection of independent event is the product of their individual probabilities. Dependent events are the event those outcomes depend on each other. The probability of independent event can be calculated using conditional probability. Independent events, dependent events. The outcome of one event does not affect the outcome of other. The outcome of one event affect the outcome of other. If A and B are the independent event, then the probability of both occurring is probability of A and B is equals to probability of A into probability of B. If A and B are the dependent events, then the probability of both occurring is probability of A and B is equals to probability of A into probability of B conditional A. Conditional probability. Conditional probability is a probability of an event when the other event has already occurred. It is denoted as probability of A conditional B, where A is the event of interest and B is the condition. Conditional probability can be calculated using the formula probability of A condition B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Addition and multiplication rule. The addition rule states that the probability of an event union of two events A and B is given by probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A union B. Multiplication rule states the probability of intersection of two independent event A and B is given by probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Expected value. Expected value is the measure of average outcome of random experiment. It is calculated by multiplying each possible outcomes by its corresponding probability and summing them. Expected value is a useful tool in decision making and risk assignment. Expected value definition. Expected value or expectation or a mean of a random variable x on a sample S is equal to uh, expected value of x is equals to summation of x belongs to S, p of s into x of s. Example, let x be the number that comes up when a pair die is rolled. What is the probability? What is the expected value of x? Solution, random variable x taken the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Each has a probability of 1 by 6. Follows that expected of x is equals to 1 by 6 into 1 plus 1 by 6 into 2, so on 1 by 6 into 6. That gives 21 divided by 6, that is equal to 7 by 2. So we'll come to the summary. Probability is a fundamental concept in mathematics that deals with the likelihood of an event. It involves the sample space, event, and their probability. Key concepts include complementary events, union and intersection of an event, independent and dependent events, conditional probability, and the rules of addition and multiplication. Thank you. This was all about this video.